Air conditioning cleaning should be done at regular intervals, and of course depending on use. In the video below you will see how a thorough cleaning of the air condition can be done. The first thing we should do is remove the socket from the power, while if the air condition is permanently connected to the supply, we turn down the switch from the electrical panel. In the next step we carefully remove the filters of the device. And then unscrew the screws of the front facade, and remove the single plastic at the bottom. Then we should remove the plastic that directs the air in a horizontal position, very carefully so that it does not break or crack. Next is the removal of the main cover of the air conditioning, which for beginners is not a particularly easy process and should be done very carefully. Usually for this task I do not need to unscrew with a screw since everything is fastened with clips. But I must point out again that special care is needed not to break a socket, while care is also needed at the time of extracting it to disconnect any wires where they may be snapped with the electronic part of the board. But let's see how the interior of this air condition is, where it has not been cleaned for a long time. As you can see, the internal cylindrical fan has strong signs of dirt but also large amounts of accumulated dust. Not only that, the plastics that surround it also have a lot of dirt, and the whole picture is not good. In the next step we should carefully clean all the plastic parts that we have removed from the air conditioning with a soft cloth so as not to create scratches on the surface of the material. If these plastics have not been cleaned for a long time, you should insist adding some mild cleaning fluids for the best possible result. As you can characteristically see here the dirt that has accumulated inside the plastic box. Then we will have to clean the filters, spraying on them a special liquid that is for air conditioners and that you can easily find in specialized stores. After finishing spraying, wait 10 minutes for the liquid to act and then rinse the filters with plenty of water. We should also take care that the pressure is not so high as to damage the filters. If the air conditioner has a case for special filters related to air purification, we will have to update it with an activated carbon filter. Air conditioner activated carbon filters are an effective solution for a better quality of life, as they have a positive effect on health and the environment. The air is effectively filtered to remove the largest percentage of harmful microorganisms and bacteria and remove odors and pollutants from the air. This filter can be easily cut to take any shape you want. Taking as a basis the previous filter, we can cut exactly the same dimensions and the new filter so that it fits almost perfectly in the case. All we need is a pair of scissors, and when we finish we place it. Cleaning the activated carbon filter only needs one vacuum cleaner to remove dust from the inside and can last many months. Attention only needs to be paid to changing the use of the air conditioner. For example, when we use the air conditioner with the new activated carbon filters in summer, we can use the same filters in winter. However, when switching use again for the summer, new ones should be installed. Now that we have cut them as we should, we will place them in the special case where it will then snap to the air conditioner. Then we place a special bag in the air conditioner where it can store the liquids that we will spray during cleaning the device. If you do not have a specific product, all objects around the air conditioner should be removed, or else you will have to make an improvised solution. In the next step we place the special cleaning liquid in our sprayer, and always according to the manufacturer's instructions. In this case, I mix 1 liter of cleaning liquid with 4 liters of water to create the necessary mixture. Then spray the cylindrical fan on the bottom by pouring some of the special cleaning liquid. To make cleaning more effective, we should also use a relatively long brush, and clean the surfaces of the cylindrical fan and the plastics that are close to it. During cleaning you need to rotate the rotor a little and do the cleaning procedure again with the brush. Then we should pour enough cleaning liquid into the evaporator coil so that when we reach the final stage the last dirt sitting there will be removed. Since the air condition has dried, we will now have to reposition its pieces in the reverse way as we removed them at the beginning. We carefully put the main cover of the air conditioner, taking care not to injure the inner part, and if the device has a display screen on the plastic we will have to snap the wires. As we said at the beginning, this process is not for beginners and special care is needed when placing the central cover of the air conditioner so as not to cause any damage. Then place the appropriate plastic cover on the bottom of the air conditioner. It should be noted here that when placing the plastic pieces we should carefully observe that at the edges there are some recesses where they should be attached to the main body of the air conditioner, so take some time to see where each component fits to save time and hassle. Next, we lay the plastic, which is responsible for the vertical direction of the air. Here, too, care must be taken not to damage it. Of course, here the specific plastic there is a technical problem since some time ago the central support arm broke. Then we place the protection filter in the special emission of the air condition. And then we install the air filters. Close the lid. And that's it.